Wow, look what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1977 Chevrolet Silverado K10 regular cab short box, numbers matching, 400 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydramatic, 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Believed to be an original mile truck with the information passed between ownerships. 72,784 on the odometer at the moment. Look at the bright work grille, headlight surrounds up front on this one. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Looks like it's riding on a little newer style wheel. Rubber, plenty of tread left, and those are date coded 2022, so not very old tires either. Those are in good shape. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here, there, but overall, this truck has a great look to it. Bench seat interior, which is also in very nice shape. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little bit closer. It appears it has had new carpeting installed, but very original, especially that numbers matching original 400 cubic inch V8. You'll be able to check out how this truck was equipped from the factory. I have a picture of the I guess the tag in the glove box. It's the easiest way to explain it with all the options on it. You'll see that in the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, spray in bed liner, so bed is in also nice shape. True dual exhaust, front to rear, great sounding truck. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and it is as clean underneath there as the rest of this truck is. Stick around to the very end of the video. Take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a suspension lift. Appears to be about a 4-inch. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, whether it be a square body, newer, older, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Again, Silverado K10, best of all, regular cab short box. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So door panels, power locks, manual windows. You can see, appears the seat has been recovered, and that is in nice shape also. Cloth vinyl combination. Headliner could use a little bit of attention up there, as you can see, but it's not going to stop you from having some fun and driving this truck. A couple other things I do want to mention before I fire this up. Brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. Has newer dual fuel tanks. Also comes with the original owner's manual. Technician did note there is some drivetrain seepage, nothing out of the ordinary, but take a look at the underside. This is a very clean truck on the underside also, and he did mention starter may need some attention in the future. So let's go ahead and fire this up. We're still going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek at the top of the dash. Dash looks good. Of course, manual transfer case. Shift in the floor, aftermarket AM/FM cassette player. Here's your exact miles, 72,797. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. See oil pressure up. Voltmeter. Clock was not working. Noticed that earlier. And fuel gauge. And once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Sliding back window. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nothing crazy over the top for the exhaust. It sounds as you'd expect. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, hood liner, and engine bay. Once again, numbers matching. 400 cubic inch V8, what the truck came with. Power steering, power brakes, AC. You can also see the AC has been converted from the R12 to 134A. So nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Smooth runner, looks good. And the original engine. I don't think this one's going to last too long. 1977 Chevrolet Silverado K10, regular cab short box, believed to be original mile truck from information passed between ownership. 72,784 on the odometer at the moment. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1977 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck, and I do like this truck. It is such a good height. So on the way, just when I started driving this, I was parked next to a new Chevrolet High Country, and it looked like a Low Country. This is a fun truck, mainly because of its size and the quality build. Our oil pressure is over halfway on the gauge. That appears to be about 45 psi. The volts are over 14. The temperature is almost a quarter of the way up the gauge. Our speedometer is working as it should, and the fuel gauge is showing almost full. Blower motor works on this truck. The wipers also work. Looking good inside and out. Nice road feel. Now this truck's not too loud. It's not a harsh ride. It's just right. Easy to drive, comfortable. Cloth seats. You don't stick to a cloth seat. There's a bonus there. The wood grain in the dash, letting you know that it's a 1977. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. There's a little sag in the headliner. That's the only real kind of wear that I notice. It's easy to steer, power steering. For such a tall truck, it stays very level in the corners. And there's enough power to get you up to speed quickly. I mean, you've seen the pictures. This truck is a darn good height. It is a fun truck to drive, and you can see over just about anything on the road. I would say she's ready for off-road and snow or mud if you'd like to do that as well. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.